Well, our greenhouse from yourgreenhouses.com has finally arrived. The delivery driver for FedEx was a super nice guy, very helpful. I felt sorry for him. He's been dealing with his door with a broken cable all day that falls like a guillotine. But he was very helpful, and I tried to help and be able to get the trailer, get the greenhouse off of the FedEx truck. The box was too long to turn it sideways because the pallet forks wouldn't fit under it sideways to go on the lift. So we kept maneuvering it around until we finally got it. I'm trying to watch that door the whole time, like that. And there it goes, falling again. But we got it down, we got it loaded on the trailer. So it's been interesting to follow where it came from FedEx, being delivered from yourgreenhouses.com. And it came from Latvia, was the first place we noticed. Then it went to Berlin, and I'm assuming it was air freight overseas, and then ended up somewhere in the US. We're not real sure. But we also had to help with the pallet jack and help move the pallet jack because I didn't want it hanging on the back end of the trailer. So we moved the pallet jack off the truck and put it on the trailer so we could reposition this greenhouse over the axles of the trailer because it is very heavy, 670-ish pounds, something like that. But this FedEx guy worked relentlessly and was just super nice. I tried to help and just get this centered on over the axles on the trailer so it's not bobbing and weaving all over the place, hanging on the back of the trailer. So we finally managed to get it on there, but we are thankful. We are glad it's here. We have driven it to our homestead and we're working on its location. So stay tuned for more videos about the construction and the build of our new garden area.